Want to work even faster on your Mac without ever touching the mouse? Here are 5 Mac keyboard shortcuts that are going to level up your productivity. All right, let's start with Command plus Tab. Now, this is a keyboard shortcut that is going to allow you to switch between your applications faster, okay? So you can jump between open apps lightning fast. No clicking, no dragging. Just hold Command and tap Tab until you're where you need to be. It'll just switch through your windows, the open ones you have, or your open apps until you get to the spot you want to be at. Let's talk about how to fully quit out of applications, okay? That's going to be Command plus Q. The little red X doesn't actually fully close your applications out. If you want to really shut them down, you need to hit that Command plus Q to free up your memory and keep your Mac zippy and clean. All right, now let's talk about how to take screenshots like a pro. Now there's 2 ways to do this. You can use Command plus Shift plus 4, which lets you select exactly what you want to screenshot, or you can do Command plus Shift plus 5, which is going to open a full screenshot menu, even letting you record if you want. Easy. All right, now let's talk about how to open up that emoji and symbol panel. This is a really fun one. Control plus Command plus Space will open up an emoji window where you can add emojis, arrows, symbols, anything you want, right? Email, chats, docs, you can do this anywhere. Just hit that Control, Command, and Space, and boom, enjoy that emoji panel unlocked. All right, what about Spotlight Search? Maybe you're trying to find something like a file, an app, or even the calculator on your Mac device. Hit that Command plus Spacebar. That's going to open up a Spotlight Search, okay? It's like Google, but just for the Mac, right? So instead of showing you online results, it's going to show you local results of what you have on the machine. All right, so if you can master these 5 shortcuts, you're going to watch your productivity soar. And again, hit that like and subscribe so I can see you on the next one.